we'll guide you through how to access a hidden folder in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll see options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and so on. You might be wondering how to access folders that are not immediately visible. Here's a tip. Sometimes folders can be hidden due to filters or settings. To reveal these, go to the top of your Google Drive page and click on the Search in Drive bar. This is where the magic happens. Instead of typing a specific search term, click the little triangle on the right side of the search bar to open the advanced search options. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Location. Click on it and select Anywhere. This setting will help you uncover folders that might not show up in the standard view. You can also use the Owner drop-down to select Not Owned by Me if you're looking for shared folders that might be hidden. After setting these filters, click the blue Search button and Google Drive will display a list of all folders, including those that were previously hidden. If you're still having trouble finding a specific folder, try adjusting the filters like Date Modified or Type to narrow down the search. Remember, Google Drive's interface is designed to be intuitive, but sometimes exploring these advanced options can make all the difference in finding what you need. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.